Initially I wanted to be a race car driver. I realized that that wasn't too likely, and so I quickly switched to wanting to be a pro surfer. I surfed for years in Northwest Oregon. For maybe 20, 25 years, I've surfed in cold water and I love it. And I'm never gonna be a professional surfer. So I had to figure something else out. I'd been doing some other jobs and I wasn't very good at them. One of the jobs that I didn't last in very long was doing construction with my dad. And we would remodel old houses and flip them. And one day I was repairing a broken down wall of a shed. And I say to my dad, hey, this tape would be way better if it was in millimeters. Think how much easier that would be. And he stopped. He literally stopped in his tracks. He said, I'm not sure this is the right job for you. So that year for Christmas, I actually got a metric tape measure and I also got fired. So after graduation from dental school, I went straight into private practice. And I was working as an associate for my family dentist in a small town in the northwest coast of Oregon. There's a lot of things that are cool in dentistry. I love sitting in the lab and building things with my hands. I love the tactile nature of what it is that we do. But really the thing that gets me up in the morning to come into the practice is being with the people that we work with and the relationships that we establish with patients. Someone who can help them kind of navigate this difficult world of trying to figure out what's in their really best interest. I got a call from Steve Ratcliffe, who's been a mentor of mine for 15 years, and he said, hey, we've got a spot, we've got an idea, not totally sure what your job is going to look like, so you got to be ready for that, but yeah, we think we got a spot for you. And so I put the practice on hold and I wanted to see what was happening here. And you know what, coming into this full time has been a really cool learning experience. I've been able to grow in a lot of ways that I didn't anticipate, and it's been really cool.